Step into the future of financial planning and analysis. Welcome to Planacy, where complex processes are transformed into simple, automated workflows. Transform your company's challenges with financial planning into clarity, replacing uncertainty with complete control. By eliminating time-consuming manual tasks and reducing the risk of errors, Planacy automates your financial planning. With seamless integrations to your most important tools like Excel and Google Sheets, structure and automation are combined with full flexibility. But perhaps Planacy's greatness lies in the details. In addition to powerful modules for your most common processes, the platform is tailored to your specific business, customizable down to the smallest detail. With company-specific, driver-based models, you get a whole new level of accountability and engagement within your organization. With a complete financial planning solution, you will not only gain full control, you will also gain insights that improve your financial planning for increased precision in the decision-making. So, if you want higher quality and security in your work, and increased clarity and control like you've never experienced before, then Planacy, with unbeatable time to value and documented high customer satisfaction, is the solution for you. Choose Planacy to secure a future-proof financial planning today.